Logan Paul turned an extremely rare 1998 Pikachu Illustrator Pokemon card into an NFT. In fact, Paul paid a whopping $5,275,000 for the card. Remarkably, the card even broke the Guinness World Record as the most expensive collectible Pokemon card sold at a private sale. He now offers co-ownership of the NFT card through his NFT platform, Liquid Marketplace. Athens NFT Generation 0 collection sold out in 100 seconds. Singapore-based blockchain startup Athens has officially sold out its entire Generation 0 Buddies, or Gen 0, NFT collection in 100 seconds. This set of 400 Gen 0 NFTs, also known as Buddies, is the first set to join Athens' Nexus World Meta Universe. Compared to existing NFTs, which have limited utility, Athens Buddies will have compatibility with various meta vessels and blockchain games. The first set of NFTs, most recently sold for 2,995 AFFYN tokens apiece, are scarce by design, with their rarity categorized as mythical. Investors sue Solana, claiming that big players in the ecosystem illegally profited from Sol, a native blockchain token. Investor Mark Young alleges that Solana Labs, Solana Foundation, and network co-founder Anatoly Yakovenko, as well as Multicoin Capital Management and its co-founder Kyle Samani and Falcon X, violated US federal securities laws. Cardano investors bought $37 million worth of coins in 1 month. Meta began testing NFT on Instagram. Meta has begun implementing NFT for some US authors on its flagship social network, Facebook, the Crypt reports. Cryptocurrency wallets will be able to be connected to the profiles and users will be able to post NFT as a post. Meta began testing NFT support on Instagram in May. Ethereum and Polygon were also the first integrated networks. Wallets available for connection include Rainbow, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Dapper, and Phantom. OpenSea is losing users. The number of OpenSea users fell from 50,000 to 4,000 in a month, but the average volume per user rose from 0.5 ETH to 3 ETH. Annual NFT trading volumes fell 94% in June. According to the block, NFT trading volume fell 94% in June compared to January 2022. For the first time since July 2021, the total turnover of unique tokens fell to $1.01 billion. In fact, it appeared that there were no robust NFT collections on the market whose value would remain stable amid the demand crisis. The number of Ethereum addresses with a non-zero balance has set another all-time high. According to Glassnode analysts, today there are 83,076,411 units. So there are more and more owners of cryptocurrencies every day. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments what you think about this and see you in the next video.